Hi everyone, it's Terry here from nutsaboutsstamping.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and easy but oh so lovely Father's Day card idea with the help of my Big Shot and the Come Sail Away product suite. Now the product suite includes the Sailing Home stamp set, which is bundled with the framelets, so making your stamping and die cutting super easy. And also part of the suite is the Come Sail Away Memories and More card pack. I did a Facebook Live this past week showing you this product suite and in more specifically what's in this card pack. So you can head on over to my Facebook page and you'll be able to see that video there. So the Memories and More card pack is part of the product suite. And then there's also this designer series paper, which is double-sided, and I think it's just gorgeous. Very masculine to me in tone. And what I'm going to use is a strip of this piece of the designer series paper that comes in this pack for my card. My card base is going to be Whisper White. I've cut it 11 by 4 1/4 and scored it at the 5.5 mark. And then I've taken a piece of that designer series paper that I showed you and I cut it so that it will completely cover the entire card front. Now if you want a different look, if you want some of the Whisper White showing through, then by all means cut this piece down a little bit smaller to the size of your liking, and then use it instead. But for me, and I don't do this very often, sometimes I just like to completely cover the card front, like so. Then I've taken one of the cards from the Come Sail Away Memories and More card pack, and it says, "Any day with you is the best." And I thought any father would love to hear that from their child. And so I'm going to layer that onto a piece of basic black, just a scrap I had hanging around. And I cut it so that it was 1/4 inch larger than this card here. And then I'm going to attach it to my card front. Using my snail adhesive. And then I'm going to do, there we go, have a look at that. Then what I did was I mounted the anchor stamp from the Sailing Home stamp set, and I have a scrap piece of Whisper White cardstock, and I have my Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I'm going to ink up the anchor. Get it nice and filled in with ink, and I'm going to stamp it down. And then I'm going to bring in my Big Shot and die cut it out. So because this is a framelit, I'm using my magnetic platform, my bottom standard cutting pad. Let's put the cardstock on with the framelit on top. And then I'm going to put the top standard cutting pad on, hold it down in place and run it through. Love that this just pokes out so very easily. Okay. Right, so let me bring in my card. And all I'm simply going to do is I'm going to add the anchor at the bottom using my mini Stampin' Dimensionals. And I'll just pick up a couple of them. I love these mini ones because you can use them on really small die cuts like this. I'm just going to use 2, and it's just going to add some interest to my card front by having a piece of it pop up, like so. And then, remember I did say this was a very simple and quick and easy card idea. I have some Whisper White baker's twine, and after the video is over, what I'm going to do is I am going to cut a piece of the baker's twine and I'm going to tie a knot at the top. So you can head over to my blog after this video is over, which is www.nutsaboutstamping.com, and I'll have a final photo of the card, and I'll also show you how I'm going to decorate the inside of the card, because this stamp set has some amazing stamps in it that would coordinate really well with Father's Day message. While you're over on my blog, make sure you subscribe to my free newsletters. I send a newsletter each week with a project you won't see anywhere else. You can also see the link to my online store. All of these products from the new annual catalog are now available for ordering, so get them now so that you can enjoy a year of stamping fun with me. I'm Terry. I am Nuts About Stamping. I hope you'll create something amazing today too. Bye for now.